Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Well, now let us look at some standard limits based on the polynomials, trigonometric functions and exponential and logarithmic functions. Well, if you have a problem which can be expressed as x to the power n minus a to the power n divided by x minus a if limit x tends to a, then that will be equal to n into a to the power n minus 1. So, you have learnt the proof of this, right. So, just remember the formula here. So, this is n into a raised to n minus 1. Well, we will see the examples of that, but now this proof also you have learnt already, okay. So, that is a very important proof in board syllabus. Now, we just need the formula. So, if you have limit of sin x by x as x tends to 0, you will have the value 1, okay. So, limit of sin x by x as x tends to 0 is 1, and similarly limit of tan x by x as x tends to 0 is also 1. And if you have, what about cos x? If you have cos x, cos 0 is 1. So, that is easy. But what if you have 1 minus cos x divided by x? So, that will be 0. So, once again we can prove this, okay, using half angle formula, right. So, 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2, okay, and then we have to replace that x so as to suit the form of sin x by x. All that we can do that later. Now, just remember the formula there. And then what if you have exponential and logarithm? This is something new for you, right. So, if you have a form like log of 1 plus x and divided by x as x tends to 0, then the value will be 1, okay. So, this is for logarithmic function. And what if you have exponential of the form a to the power x minus 1 divided by x, all are x tends to zeros, okay. So, they are also same. So, a raised to x minus 1 divided by x, then it is log a. What if you have e in place of a? So, then you will have to write log e to the base e, so which is 1, okay. So, there is no much difference between these two formulas. You can write log e to the base e, which is 1, okay. So, just remember this formula, you can generate that. And what if you have 1 plus x to the power 1 by x, then it is exponential. So, what is e? E is the limit of this series, okay. So, 1 plus x to the power 1 by x. Well, so that is about these formulas. You have to remember these formulas very clearly, very important formulas. These nowadays are very rarely used in the problems, alright. So, you will rarely get a problem based on these formulas nowadays, alright. Next, there is one more section of formulas which are again rarely used these days, that is limit at infinity. So, let us see that next.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.